We are going to give you a tour of our new home.
If you missed our last video, we showed off the inside of our new home now that we've been living in it full time for the last month. Click the link in the top right if you'd like to check that out. In this video, we'll be showing you the outside of our 2007 Coachmen Freelander Class C RV.
We're Jenna and Jeremy.
In August 2020, we bought an RV.
In September 2020, we sold everything and hit the road full time.
Follow our adventures as we explore more of our incredible planet Earth.
Don't forget to press that subscribe button and turn on post notifications for weekly travel videos.
You can find us on Instagram at Quench Your Adventure. Now on to the good stuff.
All right, I will show you under the hood. So this is a Chevy Workhorse. It's a 6-liter engine. Don't ask me any further questions because I won't have the answer for you. I'm not super handy, but I have been learning quite a bit. I at least know how to change our oil now every maybe 4,000 miles, which is cool. It actually says what oil goes in it. It's really not that hard once you start learning about everything, but runs great so far. Had about 40,000 miles when we bought it. Has almost 43,000 now. So putting some miles on it, but put a new battery in there and things have been running great. We're pumped. This is our front garage. We have multiple garages, living large. As you can see, it's extremely neat and tidy. Some fun stuff in there, some sleeping bags, camping gear, pump for our boat. Yes, we have a boat. We've got spike ball, very important. A few other odds and ends. We got some sweet leveling blocks that came with the RV. Tires are pretty new. It's sitting up on there, hopefully fairly level. We've got our stair pulled out with our mat right here. And moving back, we've got the exhaust for the furnace, which had a recent debacle with that. Maybe we'll show you some of that. There were some mud daubers living in there. This is for the hot water heater. And then moving towards the back, this is our other garage. We've got a table, a toolkit, bike pump, tire plugs, bike wash, hammocks, slack line, all the good stuff for all the fun. And I almost forgot our awning, which sadly enough we have yet to pull out because we never really sit still long enough, but we will eventually. And looking towards the back here, a few things that came from our garage. We've got our camping chairs sitting out to watch the sunset after this. Got a few things laying out on our outdoor mat, and the bikes. The main con that we need to eventually find a solution to, we don't have a bike cover, and I just hate leaving these out in the rain and letting all that, rust collect and whatnot. So gonna definitely clean them soon and hopefully be looking for a cover. If you have any tips on that, let us know. Also, if you look at the exterior of this, we did a lot of work recently. We spent probably, 4 hours pressure washing the outside at a car wash that had a large clearance bay, and it actually worked extremely well. We'll show you some before and after of what this thing looked like before. It's 2007, so you expect it to look aged, but we're really excited how it looks after the wash. Guys, watch your step. There's a bunch of cow patties. We haven't seen any cows here, but they left their mark. I guess they've been here. So got everything opened up to show you. This is our cord to plug in to power the home when we are camping or whatever. We actually have only done this once. We stayed overnight at the Camping World and we plugged in. Other than that, we've been doing what we're doing now, which is boondocking, and it's been awesome. So no need for that, really. This is the bumper that inside is the Stinky Slinky. I'll show you that really quick. Don't let me forget to wash my hands just in case afterwards. Oh. So this cap is magnetic, and it also is supposed to fit within this so that I can pull it out. You can see it works perfectly. So the hose pulls out and I have to touch it as little as possible. Again, we call that the Stinky Slinky because that is used to hook to this stuff right here, which are our tanks, our black tank, our gray tank, for draining all that. So that's really fun. We've done that a few times now. Not as bad as you may think, but something we try not to do every day. Moving along, we've got the water tank. So the fresh water tank is under there. There's a few controls here just for whenever you're connected to water, whenever you're filling the tank, you can winterize it so things don't freeze. There's the city water connection right there. And then under here is actually our propane tank. So this powers our stove, our oven, our refrigerator, strangely enough, don't ask me how that works, and also our furnace, of course. So we've been we've been needing that here in Wyoming. There's been some cold nights. So that's that. That's where we fill up the gas tank, and that actually is pretty important because our generator is powered by the gas in the gas tank. Generator is right over here, and then this space right here is for all of our hoses, for our water, refilling stuff. There's some disposable gloves for what we mentioned over there. We got a water filter in there, a few different lengths of hose, and we've been trying to learn how to keep things clean. So the hoses, we leave them closed shut so that nothing gets in there. And like we say, we found this thing. I had never seen this before a couple weeks ago. It's an RV water filter. So you actually just connect it to your source and then connect the hose. And then when you're filling your tanks, everything is fresh and filtered. So we drink all the water that, we put in here. So really a convenient thing, gives us some nice peace of mind, and we don't have to, buy water bottles and things like that. Again, watch your step. There's the generator, and that's about it for the outside of our 2007 Coachmen Freelander. Let us know in the comments if maybe there's anything that we missed or you're curious about. And also would be curious your opinion on these decals. They're obviously aged and crackled. We don't know if we should just rip them all off and go full white, maybe get them redone. Don't know if that's really worthwhile. It's just an aesthetics thing, but yeah, let us know if you have an opinion on that. All right, full disclosure, that's our recycling. We moved it outside because we haven't been able to recycle in the last few days, and it looks kind of tacky for the video.
And there wouldn't have been any space walking around.
But it made the video somehow anyway.
That's a wrap for the outside of our 2007 Coachmen Freelander Class C RV. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more weekly travel videos.